Hello!
Hi!
Belated happy 50th birthday, Manong and Ate Shell. And I hope that you have a fun-filled and fabulous 50th birthday celebration there.
We wish we were there to celebrate this special occasion. So, have a blast and enjoy to the max.
We love you so much. We miss you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Happy 50th birthday to these two amazing and caring people I know, Rachel and Richard. May your birthday filled with fun, love, more happiness, and good health. And wishing you all the best. Thank you, and I love you guys. Miss you.
Good morning, Rachel. Noong Richard, kamusta? Kamusta bakasyon sa Pinas? Just want to greet belated Merry Christmas and Happy New Year and Three Kings to both of you. And belated happy birthday kay Nina Shell. Bigla ka na lang umalis ng di man lang ng delivery sa amin. So hopefully merong dadat ng celebrations pagbalik mo. So enjoy your stay sa Pinas. So see you soon. So ingat kayo. Pasalubong ka. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Chel. Belated happy birthday. I know late celebration to, a surprise para sa iyo, sabi nila. Wish ko sa iyo same as basta keep on being yourself always, as always. Tsaka medyo bawas-bawas na yung kain-kain kasi hindi na tayo bumabata. Nahirap yung may maintenance, diba? So kayong dalawa ni Richard, lagi kayong mag-ingat sa inyong mga kinakain dahil alam natin na mahirap yung may maintenance pagtanda. Happy birthday. God bless.
Hi, Chel. Love you. I just wanna thank God kasi nagkaroon kami ng kaibigan na katulad nyo. Ikaw at saka si Chard. We're so blessed for having you, and I'm so thankful to God for you and Richard, and thank you for another year of your life. Though this is a late video greetings already, pero still we're always praying for you and Richard. All the best and more wisdom and faithfulness to our God. Love you.
Shell, Manong. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Joke. Anyways, I just want to say that I'm very happy and thankful dahil for almost 2 decades kayo ang naging pamilya ko dito kasama ng iba nating mga friends and family. And I hope mas marami pa tayong mga masasayang bagay na pagsasamahan kasama sila. And although na-celebrate na natin yung mga birthdays, mga golden days natin dito for the past years, still happy birthday sa inyo, and I wish you all the best and great health. And I hope to see you soon. I miss you guys and love you both. And please send my regards sa lahat dyan, especially sa family ko. I miss you all guys and I love you all. God bless and thank you. Bye.
Rachel and Richard, di ko po alam kung advance ba to o belated happy birthday. Pero nakikigalak ako kung saan kasama nyo yung pamilya nyo at inaalala yung special day sa buhay nyo mag-asawa. Kaya naman kahit malayo po ako dito sa Qatar, ay bumabati pa rin ako ng happy birthday. Salamat sa buhay nyo mag-asawa sapagkat kayo ay napakalaking biyaya sa buhay ko dito sa Qatar. So happy birthday Sir Richard and Rachel. Pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon and God bless po.